Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Hybrid Cargo shorts. So these are basically a 1mm neoprene pair of shorts. Now you can wear these over your board shorts, or you can buy a slightly larger size and fit them over your wetsuit. 1mm of neoprene is going to give you a little bit of sort of thermal protection. Not a great deal, but it will take the edge off. And it does give you a little abrasion protection as well, but it's nice and flexible. So you can actually buy them that fit and then stretch them over your wetsuit. But of course, if you're stretching it too much, then eventually they're gonna wear out. So if you're only gonna be wearing it over your sort of 5 or maybe 7mm wetsuit, it might be worth going up a size. So the main benefit of them, other than thermal protection, is obviously the pockets. So if your wetsuit doesn't have pockets, or if you want to sort of wear these as board shorts, gives you that extra storage option. So having thigh pockets makes a world of difference. You get to sort of carry stuff with you and it doesn't dangle off a D-ring. So you can have a spare mask, you can have your DSMB and a small spool. It just gives you that sort of extra storage so stuff isn't dangling and risk getting lost or damaged. So decent pair of shorts. At the top we have an elasticated sort of bungee section, so you can tighten that so they stay in position. It's 1mm throughout, so it's still flexible all the way up. The back is sort of it just matches the style of the front. It's just black with Scubapro across the back. And then each thigh pocket, if I fold it like this, you can see, so we have thigh pocket on both sides. This is again neoprene. We've got a section of Velcro, big section of Velcro, so that creates a very effective seal, so they're not going to sort of undo that easily. On the left pocket, we have a little attachment loop. So this is bungee, so you can attach a lanyard or a bolt snap onto that, just to give yourself a little bit more safety so that stuff isn't going to fall out by itself. And then nothing else on the inside. We've got a couple little drainage holes as well. So as you're getting out, they're not going to fill up with water and you're going to have to carry that around. It's going to drain out of the bottom. And then exactly the same on the right-hand side. Exactly the same. Velcro, you get a little attachment loop and a decent size. So you can fit a pretty decent reel inside of that, a big DSMB, you can fit a spare mask, you can fit pretty much anything that you want inside of that. You could definitely fit a slate in as well, so you can take your dive profile with you. Yeah, very handy. Whenever I go diving, I always like to have thigh pockets just because of that sort of added sort of storage for a spare mask. When you need it, you will need it. With a sort of DSMB and a spool, it can fit neatly sort of away, makes you much more sort of hydrodynamic, and your stuff's exactly where you want it to, and it's not sort of dangling. Very nice, lots of different sort of sizes. This is the Scubapro Hybrid Cargo shorts. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.